Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw and welcome! Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo, at dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading and mismo. Okay, so this love reading, para ito sa lahat ng water signs. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Ayan. And tignan natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. And if mag-resonate ito sa inyo, don't forget na i-like and comment tayo sa baba. It helps the channel grow. At kung bago kayo sa aking channel at nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko, subscribe na po. Ayan, salamat. Okay, so bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this. That would be the overall energy of this reading. I'll get the 7th card dahil last day of July. So, July pa rin. So, first card. Okay. Oh, Breath of the Divine. Okay. And generate new ideas. Okay, so for water signs, yeah, I think sa relationship ninyo, naghahanap kayo ng something that would even motivate you further. And ano ba yung mga pwede pang mga gawin sa relationship to continue the relationship maging exciting. So, pwedeng for some of you, sa iba sa inyo na water signs na feel niyo na parang parang kulang na sa excitement or adventure or action itong relationship. So, you're really thinking and it's time to, generate new ideas for the relationship to parang magkaroon ng ma-reignite yung flame or magkaroon ng spark ulit at once may spark, may ilaw. So, I mean, and here with the Breath of the Divine, parang sinasabi lang din dito is to, if whatever you believe in, okay, so, if you have that divine being na nagpipray kayo dito, or if you believe in God, in the universe, or other higher source, seek guidance din naman talaga from them, meditate, especially you want to generate new ideas. And itong new ideas minsan, hindi siya nabubuo, hindi siya nag-materialize without the help of the divine, diba? Kaya, very important, like, you meditate, you pray, you manifest and ask for it. Sit down, be quiet, and just connect to the higher source na mabigyan kayo ng guidance or ng creative juices sa inyong isip para maka-generate kayo ng ideas on how to, ano yung mga kailangan for the relationship to be even better, lalo na kung goal ninyo is mag-grow pa yung relationship. Okay? So, tignan natin kung ano yung detalye ng overall energy nito for water signs. And gusto ko magpasalamat sa water signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. At sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan again by liking, subscribing, and commenting below. Okay, it helps the channel grow para marami pa akong magawang love reading para sa inyo. So, bubunot ako ng 4 cards from this deck and then 4 cards from the other deck to interpret yung overall energy. So, 1 pair for the recent past, 1 pair for the present moment, 1 pair for the near future, and 1 pair for the hidden energy. And gusto ko na i-remind lahat that this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Best to book a personal private reading kasi mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko, or follow me on Instagram. Pwede nyo rin akong i-message doon, Mystico Moreno. Okay, so let's begin. So, recent past, Six of Swords. Present moment, Knight of Swords. Near future, Justice. And hidden energy is Knight of Wands. And these are paired with King of Wands, recent past, present. King of Swords, okay. Near future, Ace of Swords. Swords. And Wands. And the hidden energy, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, when it comes to emotions, Cups, wala naman kayo issues doon. Mahal nyo ang isa't isa, you really care for each other. Yun nga lang, parang kailangan lang ng parang boost or parang ganon, to reignite the flame. And for some of you kasi parang anong nangyayari, parang medyo and for some of you medyo parang na-bore kayo sa relationship, pero alam nyo naman na mahal nyo isa't isa and gusto nyo lang ng something na magpapa-excite muli sa inyo, will bring back that passion and desire and even heat sa relationship. Okay? So, tingnan natin. In the recent past, Six of Swords and King of Wands. So, sorry. Yeah. With the King of Wands na nakakabit kay Six of Swords, that's puro swords kayo, kailangan nyo mag-usap. Alam nyo, the only way then, and swords is also about ideas. Talagang in-elaborate lang niya to. Swords, kaya here, ang daming swords, and about the desires naman, and once that, may isang pentacles, mamaya explain ko bakit. Pero nakita ko dito, swords, it's really about the idea. Kailangan nyo mag-isip ng bagong idea, at hindi lang dapat naisip. Kailangan i-relay, kailangan pag-usapan, kailangan i-communicate. That's also the Suit of Swords. Is all about also communication and saying or sharing those ideas. So with the Six of Swords here, it's about moving on from yung kung ano yung mga parang mga activities nyo before na it's not working anymore, or kung yung mga ideas nyo before sa relationship, or mga kung wari, ang usual activities nyo na lang is gigising, kung magkasama kayo, gising, magbe-breakfast, magla-lunch, magdi-dinner, matutulog, di ba? Alam nyo that you have to do something para hindi na maging routine masyado yung pagsasama, and you have to think of ideas. Then to, maybe like every Tuesdays, if hindi kaya everyday, like may movie night kayo together, pwedeng sa bahay, Netflix, or sa mall, ganyan, nag kayo ng sine on Tuesday, tapos Thursday, dinner date, mga ganyan. So, pag-isipan nyo yun. At alam kung ngayon nandun kayo sa at the present moment, but in the recent past nga, medyo nilet go nyo na rin yung mga past ideas din na hindi na nag-work, and you moved on and trying out something new. And you first acceptance din, kasi Six of Swords is also a card of acceptance. Minsan kasi in denial tayo na parang medyo boring na yung relationship. In denial tayo sa ganun kasi iba yung na-associate natin pag naging boring na, ay baka iwanan tayo or not. But no, it's really first accepting na may ganong nangyari sa sitwasyon. Kasi the more you accept it, the more nagagawan mo nga din ng action. And with the King of Wands here showing up, it's really a card of honesty. And in the recent past, I think napag-usapan nyo, and that's good kasi naging honest kayo sa isa't isa, and naging mas naging okay yung relationship dynamics ninyo. At the present moment, how it affected the present moment is that yung with the King of, from Knight of Swords and King of Swords, okay? So, Knight of Swords, there's this pagiging assertive din to really do something about this. Ano yung mga parang your present moment, you're bringing the excitement back. Kasi that's also the energy of Knight of Swords. There's bringing excitement to the relationship. So mas at the moment may mga ideas na kayo. It's good that for some of you, meron na ideas. For some, pinag-iisipan nyo pa lang, but it's getting, you're getting there. Okay? Na it's coming. Those ideas are popping in your head na, and excitement is about to happen. And tapos magiging King of Swords pa. Ibig sabihin magmamaterialize. Kung ano man yung mga iniisip ninyo, ideas, pinaplano ninyo sa relationship. I can see here na magiging okay siya. Plus, same with King of Wands, there's this honesty. But when it comes to the desire and ano yung gusto mangyari. King of Swords, there's honesty as well when it comes to like making things happen and the want to pursue this. And there's a sense of maturity din talaga. Kasi may loyalty. Loyal kayo sa isa. Sabi ko nga, mahal niyo yung isa't isa and you want this to work. At mas mag-continue pa yung long-term relationship or mag-proceed sa long-term relationship for some of you na bago pa lang. And you want to do something and ma-achieve nyo siya kasi I think there's also a lot of collaboration going on between you and your person. Okay? And in the near future, okay, the good thing is how it will affect the near future energy is that yung with the Justice card here, there will be in the near future because nga may panibagong excitement and there will be harmony eventually. Alam niyo, magbabalance na siya. Kung dati parang ako lang yung nag-effort tapos parang yung isa feel bored or it's the other way around. The other one is making effort tapos yung isa bobore or may imbalance kasi na nangyayari. Kaya hindi you feel na parang walang excitement sa relationship in the recent past. Pero dahil inayos nyo na nga to at the present moment, in the near future, magiging harmonious na yung relationship, magkakaroon ng balance, dahil may excitement. Alam nyo na rin, siyempre balance yun. Hindi naman puro laging excitement, diba, sa relationship. Baka mapagod at ma-exhaust din kayo. So, eventually, ma-resolve nyo yan. And in the near future, there will be balance in the relationship. And mapag-uusapan din siya ulit with the Ace of Swords showing up here na it will be parang naka-anchor kasi as honesty. Ace of Swords is another card of honesty, fresh start, anchored sa ano yung totoong gusto niyo mangyari sa relationship. So, very good kasi, yun nga, since naka-anchor nga siya sa honesty, this relationship is really going to work. Kasi kapag lagi tayong may mga hindi dinidiscuss sa person natin, hindi nare-resolve yung mga gusto nating i-resolve at hindi nangyayari yung mga gusto nating i-manifest sa relationship. Okay? And finally, the hidden energy with the Knight of Wands here. Okay, so si Knight of Wands is, again, the card of adventure. And yung eagerness for this relationship na mapuno siya ng balance of excitement and, alam mo yun, yung chill lang. Chill saka fun, ganun. So, nandun talaga yung goal. Nasa energy ninyo pareho. Gusto nyo rin din naman, siguro kung good nga na napag-usapan ninyo kasi baka kala mo ikaw lang yung nakaka-feel. Yun pala nung napag-usapan nyo, both nyo pala nafe-feel. And that's the hidden energy. And with this hidden energy, ang result nito is actually with the Nine of Pentacles is freedom first to really express every time kung ano yung gusto mangyari sa relationship. Parang hindi na kayo takot na mag-express na, uy, gawin natin to, uy, tara, try natin to, uy, kasi kung before may hesitation, ngayon, na-resolve na siya. And it's good. I'm really happy for both of you kung nasa ganitong relationship kayo. And with the Nine of pentacles or coins showing up here. Very secured. Very secured itong relationship na to. Ayun, so sana nakatulong. Very positive naman. Sana nakatulong itong reading ko sa inyo to give you even further insights and guidance sa mga next steps na gagawin nyo sa relationship. Again, always use my reading with discernment. Hawak pa rin natin ang ating kapalaran. Nasa kamay pa rin natin ito. Ang mga mangyayari din in the future. Okay? We all have free will and always use it wisely. Okay? Ako muli, si Mystico Moreno at kita-kits sa susunod na reading. Dito lang, mismo. Ingat!